Children, welcome to Brain Booster Institute. So, welcome to MyScore app. So, and first of all, I would like to say thanks to everyone. So, we have downloaded our own platform that is MyScore app. So, welcome to MyScore app, children. So, we have published many courses. I think you can check it. So, if you are interested, really interested to learn those all the courses, children. So, you can enroll children. I think you might have seen those courses. Okay. Right, children. So, welcome to Trigonometry Masterclass. So, trigonometry useful in daily life? Tell me, children, whether yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Useful.
Ask me how does it helpful in our daily life?
To find out heights, sir.
Very good. To find the heights. Very good. Just now we have children. We have tried to find the height of the Taj Mahal, and as well we have tried to find the height of the tree, children. Is it? Means the most important application of trigonometry is to find heights, isn't it? Now, children, not only height, children. Okay, in many fields, the trigonometry is been using, children. So you don't believe, children. You don't believe that how far the trigonometry is useful on a day. At least once in our life, once in a day, we are going to see the trigonometry use children's application here in our daily life. But you don't know that trigonometry has been involved. That now I'm going to show that. See, let's see, children. See. So yes, it is daily useful in daily life, children. As I said earlier, children, we can find the distance between two planets. We can find the distance between two planets. Understood? And so, children, see, trigonometry can be used to measure the height of a building or mountains. So, you are able to see, children. Okay, this is the longest mountain, children, highest mountain. So, we can find the height of the this height of the building or mountains here. And the next one, children, see, software engineers also uses trigonometry in creating video games. Do you believe that? We are all playing video games like nothing but, children. We are all playing in our mobile games also, isn't it? So I think you have seen the game, children. That is what kind of the game, Mr. Srinath? Can you please tell me what is the name of this game?
I don't know, sir.
You don't
Sir,
know.
can I say, sir?
Anybody knows?
Can I say, sir?
What happened?
Sir, it is Super Mario game, sir.
I didn't get you, Preetham. Please kindly say again. Come again.
Okay, sir. It is Super Mario game, sir.
Wonderful, 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 Mr. Preetham. You have good knowledge on video games. Right, children, kindly give big round of applause to Mr. Preetham, everyone. Right. So it is Super Mario game, children. So in Super Mario game, so the children see this guy is running. Is it running towards wall here? So he jumps on the wall and as well as this mountain, children. So what software engineer do, children, see? So this trigonometry, they will take the help of the trigonometry. So in Mario jump over these all obstacles here. For example, children. So for example, this Mario guy, he has to jump over this mountain. Means what exact distance has to be jumped here? Okay, what height must be taken by the Mario? So this is being modified by the software engineer by using trigonometry only. Got it? So this code will be implemented by the software engineer by using trigonometry concepts. Do you believe, children? Do you believe? Are you learning new things here? Please kindly let me know.
Yes, sir. We are.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Most of the students are likely to play about the shooting games, gunshot games, isn't it? Sniper game.
Yes, sir.
Children see from the longest distance also, he used to shoot his aim, isn't it? His target here. Even in such game also, the software engineer uses trigonometry, children. Do you believe it? Is it interested, children? Are you interested? Are you
Yes.
interested?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Wonderful, wonderful. Very good, children. So let's go to the next use, children. See. So, children, even for example, if you have any relatives or your parents, maybe they're in the field of construction field, children. Even they will take the help of the civil engineers, children. So, what they would do, children, see builders. So, builders are software engineers uses trigonometry in construction buildings. And just to learn the height of the building, width of the length, and installing ceramic tiles and making walls parallel and perpendicular, and many other such things where it becomes necessary to use trigonometry, children. Children, even the construction of building also the trigonometry is involved. Even in the design of each and every, children, I think you are able to see on the image. Image, see the one software engineer explaining to this builder, children. So everywhere, what would be the exact height of the building and each flat and each gate and how would be the parallel both walls? Then that should be explained by the software civil engineers by using which concept, my dear friends? By using which concept?
Trigonometry.
Trigonometry.
Yes, trigonometry.
Right, children. So, next, children, trigonometry in flight engineering also. Do you believe it, children? Even flight engineers also uses this trigonometry. How far you see it here? So, flight engineers, see, children. So, if you see this image, you can understand easy. So, this flight is landing here. So, it has to be land here, is it? So the children see there will the particular at the particular height, children, it has to be changed direction. That height will be decided by the flight engineers. Understood? That height will be decided by the flight engineers. So that will be calculated by trigonometry concept. Understood, children? Okay. So yeah. So the distance and direction along with the speed and direction of the wind, and these can be calculated using trigonometric concepts here. And the next, children, see. So please kindly mute everyone. And in physics also, so I think you might have seen physics formulae and physics, isn't it? Trigonometry used to find the components of vectors. I think this will be, children, as you are studying 8th and 9th and 10th. So vector chapters you are going to get in intermediate section, so don't worry about it here. And model of the mechanics of waves, both physical and electromagnetic and oscillations here. I think you are able to see 10th class students, reflection, incident angle and reflection angle. I think you are able to see, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
What is this, children? It is a normal. The distance, the angle between an incident and normal is I. The angle between incident and reflective angle is R, isn't it? So I is equal to R, children. Got it. So this will be proved by and even trigonometry. So you can ask your physical science teacher, children. I'm not much perfect in physics. Okay. So you can ask your physical science teacher. Will you ask tomorrow?
Yes, sir. Yes.
I already listened trigonometry in physics, sir.
Wow, wonderful.
Daily our physics sir will say to us.
Yes. Wow. Children, see, if you want to become as an archaeologist, compulsory you have to go with trigonometry, children. See here. So here you can find anywhere trigonometry, children. Trigonometry, they used to measure the distance from the underground water systems and excavation sites. So the children, by using the trigonometry, see, children, you can see this image, this chart, see, children. So how far it is helpful here. Then what objects can an archaeologist find? Coins, ornaments, and pans, and pots, weapons, tools, remains of buildings, and old manuscripts, and plants, remains, and inscriptions, and bones also. How can you find, children? Is it possible to find? Archaeologist. What is mean by archaeologist? Tell me, Bhavya. Bhavya, respond.
Sir.
Tell me, how can you find by using what concept we are using to find this all things?
Trigonometry, sir.
Wonderful trigonometry. Okay, so we can find children depth. So at what exact depth? So the ornaments are there and kinds are there and parts are there. So we can see children. So by using trigonometry only, so archaeologists can be found this all the things here. And the next children see. And even trigonometry in criminology, you don't believe children. Even if you want to become as a CBI officer, CID officers, okay, understood. So even there is trigonometry also. Okay, so you can see this figure, children. You will be able to understand how far this trigonometry has used here. Okay, in criminology, the trigonometry can help to calculate the projectile's trajectory and causes of car accidents and crimes and murders. As it says, everywhere there is trigonometry, and also trigonometry in navigation. Is it? So the children see, for example, this navy people. So I think this is, I don't know what is exact this instrument is called, children. By using this children, so this instrument has been will be manufactured by using trigonometry concept here. So they can find what is exact position of their enemies ships, children, exact position, and what is the how far they have been. So they can find easily now, and the distance. So children, it is used to navigation in order to pinpoint a location, and it is also used to find the distance of the shore from a point in the sea. It is also used to see horizon. Okay. So and also trigonometry in cartography. Where do you see cartography, children? Tell me. Where do you see? Srinath, where do you see cartography? Do you know what about cartography, Mr. Srinath?
No, sir.
No. And Ritika? Ritika?
No, sir.
Bhavyasri?
Yes, sir. In the no idea, sir.
No idea. Means? Anusri?
I'm thinking in the map how to find, sir.
Yes. Children, see, maps will be drawn by using trigonometric concept. Even there is so there is the involvement of trigonometry in social studies also, isn't it? You can happily you can say to your social sir, this map has been drawn by using trigonometric concept. Will you say by will say to your social sir?
Yes, I'll say. Yes.
So children see, so like this children see, as you are able to see, this all parts, it is used to creation of maps. So distances, exact position, okay, even like coordinate geometry, understood, height, and everything we can see, children.